What is it, girl? What is that? Hee-ho. Go get. Hee-ho.
Is there someone trying to talk to us? Let us know that you're there. Sounds female.
Look at her.
Mr. McCown's wife?
Silly girl. You're silly. She's freaking out. Uh-oh. What is that, Becky? She reached up and touched his face. What is that? It's a wolf statue my neighbors gave me. Look, oh my God. That thing has been sitting there for like 2 or 3 weeks, and she just now noticed it. Look at her. What is that, baby? Hey, Chet, can you throw something at that plastic bag and make her jump? Wait till she gets focused on it. What is that, baby? What is? Here you go. Please, God, tell me I got that on video.